Good afternoon. It is December 13th, 2023, and today we just had a massive uptrend day. There's a lot of aggressive entries in here that I didn't mark, but these were the short thing entries I felt. So let's take a look. So in the overnight, we were just going sideways, anticipating the 5:30 news item, and you can see I don't think we hit a measured move, but if you draw it to like here, we came really close. If you draw it from these lows, and if you draw it from these lows, that's a perfect measured move. So really, this is probably the overnight range. Hits that perfect measured move and then sells off. And yeah, then we just start going sideways. And so you can see that's the midline of the range I had. And after the open, I don't really see anything in here I like. Because it's just all this sideways stuff down here. It makes you think that we're going to reverse. So, I mean, maybe you buy down here just thinking that, it's a range day. But then we get, move up, can't go much higher, reverses down. It's at the highs, and you get a first entry, failed second entry long. I like that setup just because up to this point, it's a range day. And so you could get lucky and go all the way down here. And that's exactly what we did. And it goes, chops slowly downward until the 11 o'clock news item. Well, before that, we had some upward movement. But then once the 11 o'clock news item hit, it just rockets on out of here. And so I think your first target to the upside would just be a measured move of this first big bar, and you can see people took a little bit of profits there, but then we got an outside bar. And so then maybe your second target after all this price action would be like a measured move at this, our first pullback to the EMA. And you can see we went further than that. So, yeah, we get second entry after that first pullback. I think you got to take that. And like I said, you can really, there's a lot of aggressive entries in here. Not so much right here. But you get two legs down, maybe you just buy this. And if you don't buy that, maybe you buy this. And, that forms a spiking channel up. And, maybe you buy any of these pullbacks to the EMA. Definitely consider this one. It's a good signal bar. This one I'm going to mark blue because it's a second entry long, even though this looks sideways. Come up here, second entry long. Not only is this a second entry long, it looks like it's at the lows of the range. And then we get an overshoot and it leads to a break. And you get a pretty big correction. And then you get a reversal out of that. And I'd probably just sit out for the rest of the day because it's hard to judge that chaos. So that's how I saw it today. Hope everyone had a great day. Here's the weekly chart, bullish week right now. The daily chart, very bullish day today. All right. Hope everyone had a great day.